Customer.io is an advanced SaaS platform designed for businesses looking to automate messaging and email marketing campaigns. Right from the homepage, it's clear that Customer.io focuses on data-driven messaging and audience segmentation. The interface is modern and well-organized, making it easy to navigate even for first-time users. The dashboard provides an overview of customer activity, messaging performance, and automation workflows. Setting up an account is straightforward. Customer.io allows users to integrate various data sources to create highly targeted messaging campaigns. The platform offers robust API capabilities, enabling businesses to send personalized messages based on customer behavior. Whether you're sending emails, SMS, push notifications, or in-app messages, Customer.io provides a unified system to manage everything. One of the standout features of Customer.io is its workflow automation builder. Users can create complex automation sequences with drag-and-drop functionality. The conditional logic allows for hyper-personalized messaging based on customer actions, making it an excellent tool for engagement and retention. The segmentation feature is also a highlight, as it enables marketers to divide their audience into precise groups for better targeting. The email editor offers both a simple WYSIWYG interface and an HTML editor for advanced users. Personalization options are extensive, allowing users to insert dynamic content based on customer data. The A/B testing functionality is another crucial tool, helping businesses optimize their campaigns for higher conversion rates. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. Customer.io integrates seamlessly with various third-party platforms, including CRMs, analytics tools, and e-commerce platforms. The platform also provides detailed reporting and analytics, allowing users to measure the effectiveness of their campaigns. Metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversion tracking help businesses fine-tune their messaging strategies. Pricing is based on the number of profiles and messages sent, making it a scalable solution for businesses of all sizes. While it might be pricier than some basic email marketing tools, its advanced automation and personalization features justify the cost for many businesses. Customer support is available through email and chat, with a comprehensive knowledge base for troubleshooting and best practices. The response time is generally quick, and the support team is knowledgeable. Overall, Customer.io is an excellent choice for businesses looking for a robust, data-driven messaging solution. Its automation capabilities, advanced segmentation, and powerful integrations make it stand out in the crowded email marketing space. However, the learning curve can be steep for beginners, and pricing may be a concern for smaller businesses. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more SaaS reviews and tutorials.